Greetings and welcome to a conversation around speaking and NLP, or neuro-linguistic programming. Now, do other speakers use NLP in their presentations, in their speaking? And the answer is yes, whether they know it or not. You see, NLP is just the study of how we use our language, our internal and external dialogue, our body language, how we present ourselves. So presenting and public speaking, professionally speaking, is absolutely using NLP. Now, there are people who do know specifically what they're doing, but the truth is that NLP was actually created by modeling the most successful communicators, whether it be speakers, therapists, psychologists, anyone who's achieved anything uses their body, their mind, their thoughts, their voice, their language to make it happen. And the power about understanding NLP and how to utilize it in speaking is incredible. You can understand how people are processing the information, how to present it in a way that touches all of their modalities, let's say. So let's use this example. We have 5 senses, right? Or, well, one might argue we have even more, won't we? But if you have a 6th sense or more, let's see how that works. Or let's process this. Let's think about it. Does this resonate with you? When we saw that movie, The Sixth Sense, what did the little boy do? He saw dead people. Visual. He saw them. But he also heard them, didn't he? So there are 2 modalities right there, are visual and auditory. And sometimes when people communicate, they may stay in one particular modality and not connect with everyone. With everyone. Then there's kinesthetic. So we have those 3 that we generally learn from and process information through, are visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. So sometimes using that 6th sense as an idea, we may have a gut feeling. There's this something doesn't feel quite right. Well, that would be accessing our intuition through that sense of that modality of feeling, kinesthetics. And then we have olfactory and gustatory. And the truth is, you may hear that in some people's presentations. Do you smell what I'm laying down? Right? How does that taste? You know, nosh on that for a bit. Why don't you digest what I just shared with you? And what does that mean? Usually that means someone's going to process that information, and they will go through a number of ways to do it. But when someone says digest it, that adds another dynamic. So a quick little tip in utilizing NLP in speaking is to take note of, are you incorporating visuals, auditory, and kinesthetics into your conversations? Are you even bringing in some olfactory or gustatory in the way you present your information so that you can touch, move, and inspire, so people can see, hear, and feel what your message is and be as powerful as possible? That's all I got to say about that. Go to urockspeaking.com and break through the noise so that you can bring more of you into your presentations. All right. God bless. See you soon.